Happy birthday, Rance!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rance. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rance. Happy birthday to you.
Blow your butt wish first.
Don't say it.
Yay!
Yay!
Yao! Thank you.
Welcome.
It's okay.
Happy
birthday, Rance! Happy birthday, 18! Yahoo! Happy birthday! Yahoo! Cheers!
Cheers!
Yahoo! Cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
Okay, eat now.
Enjoy eating! Mabigay ko akong highlight. Hi guys! Pizza time! Thank you. Ikaw na ba? Yeah. Parang enjoy!
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 Enjoy, honey ko!
You want something more? Enjoy!
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 So birthday 18! Later we have party! We're gonna dancing and singing. Yeah, and Nicole will dance for Rance. And my honey will sing me. And my honey will gonna sing something. May pancit, french fries, pizza, homemade pizza. Cake. Birthday boy sa Rance. Pizza. We don't have anything. I don't have knife and fork. How about the chicken?
Come here.
Ayan, ito po yung pizza namin guys. It's yummy. I made it. It's not showing. barbecue chicken.
You are sure the cooking?
Yeah.
Ready?
Mm.
Yeah? Okay.
Saan gusto yung binili gusto? Saan? Bakit masarap? You like the pizza, ano?
Yes.
Ngayon man yung dog. Kuha ka ng ibang ano? Ano ka man? Yung ano yung dress? Lapit mo.
Anong kantan mo?
Yan yung lunch namin ngayon. Mayroong gusto na ata. Huwag ka nang guys, pwede kong itutong. Let's go the chicken.
Yeah, it's very nice.
I'm thinking no because I think we should make the first. But good to know that it's done. Nice work. Ayun, sarap din. Nakakain na. Yeah, it's better.
Ganyan mo na siglas ang iyong.
Bilang. Ya, tenang ini. Sebelum dibuat mati pula nih, Tony konsumen kan. Vaksin dulu.
Yeah.
Vaksin.
Nasal.
Ya, nasal vaksin.
Flu vaccine.
Sekarang bukan.
A few moments later.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. And everything good for you.
Thank you. Very good.
Birthday!
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Rance!
Mama.
Happy birthday! Sana maging good boy. Ayan, God bless and enjoy your birthday. 18 ka na. Matured na. Ingat palagi.
Thank you.
Ayan, and aral mabuti. And enjoy! This is your gift.
Thank you.
Again.
Again.
Happy birthday again.
Thank you. Daddy Peter.
Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Yay!
Yay!
Yippee.
Don't see that. Yay! Thankfully. Yay! Happy birthday, 18 Rance!
Birthday. And enjoy.
Open your gift, Rance.
You must say bunny every time. Action!
Kaya po. Interesting. Okay. Sabi ko na eh.
Ano? Ano yan?
Necklace?
Really?
Yeah. Necklace.
Necklace? Wow!
Wow.
Honey,
Okay.
you must put for him.
Maganda.
Honey, take, put for
Yeah.
him.
Okay.
I am me and I am blind.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Wait lang. Second gift.
T-shirt. Yeah. Wow.
Wow.
Fila.
Nice.
Wow.
Nice.
Fila. Wow. Two color. Black and navy blue. What is next?
Jacket.
For winter.
Wow.
It's a cardigan.
Cardigan. Native cardigan. But sweatshirt is writing.
Yeah.
Native sweatshirt.
Maganda.
Maganda-ganda. There is more or what?
One more.
The last, but ano nga yan? Ano yan? The last but not the least. The last but
Wallet.
Yeah, you have to send to me. Wallet. So you have for your ATM and
ID.
You can put there your ATM and ID so you're not lost. It's a lucky only it's a coins. I don't have money so it's only coins. Ayan.
If you don't have money, you must put the credit card.
Credit card also zero.
No.
Nice.
Ayan. That's all your gift. What can
Thank
you
you.
say?
Thank you for gifts.
You're welcome. And honey ko. Give it also
Thank
to you.
you. Thank you, Mama ko. Thank you, Daddy Peter.
Welcome.
Yay.
Yay! Enjoy! It's yummy. I want drinks. That's mine. Yeah.
Excuse me.
Hot drinks. Yummy bunso. Wow. Yeah, that's all for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoy our celebration today. 18th birthday of Rance.
Our wild party.
Yeah, we have a wild party. Joke. We are only 4, so we're just eating a simple celebration. Ayan, and please don't forget to like and
Share.
Share,
Subscribe.
subscribe. Yay!
Thumbs up.
Happy
Thumbs
birthday,
up.
18,
Thumbs up.
Rancy.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
God bless. Yapo.